Happy Saturday! It's day 5. We're very sleepy today. There's some, I think, construction going on in the unit above us, so we were up early and I just didn't sleep well. Oh, an angel. Oh! Hi! Oh, okay. Do you like the sensor that's still on this comforter that I don't know how to get off, but I was too lazy to take it back to the store and ask him to take it off? This feels like a garbage disposal today, I think, from lack of sleep, and I'm probably dehydrated. So I'm just bringing you something short and sweet. It is Raindrops by Ariana Grande from her Sweetener album. It's one of my favorite things to sing, like in the shower or if I'm trying to like warm things up a little bit. So I just was singing quietly to myself and I thought I would just tape it for you. The songs don't always have to be big and belty, even though they are very fun. Tomorrow or Monday, I'll be back with some of your requests. One that I'm really excited about that I was watching YouTube videos of last night that just like got me really pumped. So I hope everyone is having a good Saturday. I hope everyone is happy and healthy today and really hanging in there. Love you guys. Enjoy.
When raindrops fell down from the sky, the day you left me, an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel cried. She cried.
Lift your head up. Lift your head up. Want to be on the pillow? You're like a human.